Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We're excited to bring you this tutorial about Meta.ai. With Meta AI, we can create awesome images, and that's what we'll be doing in this tutorial. We'll be showing you how to create images with Meta AI. So before we start with anything, we're going to log in so we can have the full experience of Meta AI. So go ahead and click Login with Facebook. Now, because we want to create images with Meta AI, we're going to click on Imagine. Imagine something new, right? And so here you have some examples. They're really cool. They look nice, very detailed, and we're going to try to describe an image for Meta AI. So we just have to think of an example to give to it. And I'm just giving it this brief description here, a dreamy sunset with birds flying together. Let's go ahead and see what it gives to us. Now, we could put this under the category of landscape, of seeing how good it produces landscape pictures. Let's go ahead. Now, that was fast. We had the prompt, a dreamy sunset with birds flying together, and we can see 4 pictures. So anytime you put a description, it will give you 4 images to look at. And you notice here in the left right corner of each of the pictures, it actually shows a watermark. And this is good because you can differentiate what has been created by AI and what is actually real. Today, we have many problems like that, people not knowing which is AI and which is real. With that information said, we can see the beauty of what has been created. I just opened the first one and I love this. This is really cool. You could see the details in the bird's wings. And you can see this for all of them. Beautiful sunset in a dreamy background. And for each of these images, you have some options. Of course, you can close it again, but you have the option to download it and you have it here. And when you look down, you could actually regenerate it. You could edit it or animate it. We could, of course, click on the other ones here. You have the right sidebar, which we just clicked on, and it shows you the other ones that you could have a look at. Now, if we click on this one, it shows you what it has. Now, of course, we could edit it and we could animate it. So if we click on edit, you're going to see the prompt, what changes would you like to make? So you could say, make the sunset more yellow, if that makes sense. So we're going to go ahead and see how it responds to this prompt. Cool, right? It makes it more yellow. If you noticed, the previous one had more red. And now we're making it more yellow, right? And we have more birds. You could also choose to animate it, as this is an option in this. So we just click on animate and see what it does. Awesome, right? Now we have the birds actually flying. And of course, you could go again and download it. And you can see the file version, it's now in MP4. The other one was in JPEG, which is a picture. And now we have a video. So as you can see, this is how to create images with Meta AI.